In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook not syncing step by step. If your Outlook emails are not updating, not sending or receiving properly, or your inbox just feels stuck, this quick guide will help you get everything back in sync. This issue is very common on both work and personal accounts, and the good news is that most of the time, it can be fixed in just a few minutes without any advanced troubleshooting. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Outlook relies on a stable internet connection to send emails, calendars, and contacts. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and that other websites are loading properly in your browser. If your internet is unstable or disconnected, Outlook will not sync correctly. Once you've confirmed your internet is working, the next thing to check is whether Outlook is set to work offline mode. This setting is one of the most common reasons Outlook stops syncing. To check this, open Outlook and look at the top menu. Click on the Send and Receive tab, or depending on your version, go to the General Outlook settings. Look for an option called Work Offline. If this option is turned on, Outlook will not sync with the mail server. Click it once to turn it off. When Work Offline is disabled, Outlook should immediately attempt to reconnect and start syncing again. After that, give Outlook a few seconds and see if new emails start appearing. If Outlook is still not syncing, the next step is to manually refresh or sync your mailbox. In Outlook, go to the View ribbon or the Send and Receive section, depending on your layout. Look for an option that says Sync, Sync Folder, or Send and Receive All Folders. Click on this option to force Outlook to check for new messages. This is useful when Outlook is connected but hasn't updated automatically. Watch the status bar at the bottom of Outlook to see if it says all folders are up to date or syncing in progress. If you see errors, take note of them, but in many cases, a manual sync fixes the issue right away. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to try is signing out of Outlook and signing back in. This helps refresh your account connection and can fix syncing issues caused by temporary authentication problems. To do this, go to File in Outlook, then click on Account Settings or Office Account. From here, sign out of your account or remove the email account from Outlook. Once you've signed out, close Outlook completely. Wait about 10 to 20 seconds, then reopen Outlook and sign back in with your email and password. Allow Outlook a few moments to reconfigure your account and sync your mailbox. In many cases, emails will start syncing normally after this step. At this point, check your inbox, sent items, and any folders that were not updating before. If everything is syncing properly now, you're good to go. These simple steps fix the majority of Outlook syncing issues without needing advanced troubleshooting or reinstalling the app. Just to quickly recap, make sure your internet connection is stable, turn off Work Offline mode, manually sync your mailbox, and finally log out and log back in if needed. If this video helped you fix Outlook not syncing, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.